Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be doing text justification, and I read through the solutions. I'm not going to, all of them been pretty positive. Had to make some adjustments with chat because it was making things a little too complicated, but I do want to show you the last thumbnail it made. It was fire. Before we do that, you know the rules. Copy from the bottom to the top and throw this into our chat bot and see if it can make this thing make sense. Text justification classified as hard. Not too hard for chat, I don't think, but we'll see. Just the thumbnail it made. I always find these things exciting. Let's go ahead and pop this in there and see what happens. Here's where I wanted to make the biggest impact. It's that problem recap. It needs to be super simple. The whole point is to make this easy to understand. So let's see what it does. All right, let's play this.
Problem recap. Imagine you have a group of words and you're trying to fit them into lines of a fixed width, like writing text for a game screen. Each line has to be exactly the same width, and you can't go over the limit. You can add spaces between words to make the line fit, but you need to spread the spaces as evenly as possible. If there are extra spaces, the left side gets more. The last line is a bit different. It should just look neat without extra spacing. To a gamer or anime story.
That was way better. I'm not gonna let y'all see the first one, so let's go ahead and play this.
Gamer story. Axel, the futuristic gamer, was designing the interface for a new battle simulator. He wanted each message displayed on the battle HUD, heads-up display, to look perfect. The screen had a fixed width, and every line of text had to fit neatly without breaking the width. Axel realized he couldn't just slap the words onto the screen. He needed to make sure the spaces between words were even. If there were extra spaces, they had to go on the left to make the text look balanced. And for the last line, he decided it could be left aligned, so it just looked clean, without worrying about spacing too much. He opened his code editor, cracked his knuckles, and began typing his solution to perfect text formatting for the HUD. Solution code. Here's how Axel solved it in beginner-friendly Java. Java class solution, public list string full justify string words, int max width, result equals new array list string line words equals new array list, int current line length equals 0. For string word, words, check if adding the word will exceed the line width. If current line length plus word.length plus line words.size max width, result.add, format line words max width false, line words.clear, current line length equals 0, line words.add word, current line length plus equals word.length, handle the last line result add, format line words max width true. Return result, private string format line words, int max width, boolean is last line. String builder formatted line equals new string builder. Int total words equals line words.size. Int total spaces equals max width dash line words.stream, map to int string length sum. If is last line total words equal 1, left justify for last line or single word lines for string word, line words. Formatted line.append word, append. Formatted line.set length max width. Ensure the line matches max width, else. Int spaces between words equals total spaces, slash total words dice 1, int extra spaces equals total spaces sent, total words dice 1. For int I equals 0, I total words 1, I plus, formatted line.append line words dot get I. Formatted line.append repeat spaces between words plus I extra spaces dot 1 0. Formatted line.append line words get total words dice 1. Return formatted line dot to string. 1 explanation 1. Split the words into lines. Use line words to collect words that can fit in the current line. If adding another word exceeds max width, format the current line and start a new one. 2. Format each line. For normal lines, spaces are added between words evenly. If there are leftover spaces, they're placed on the leftmost side. For the last line or single word lines, it's left justified with spaces at the end. 3. Return the result. Add each formatted line to the result list and return it. Thumbnail for this gamer story? Let me generate an epic prompt if you do.
When it read it to me, I'm like, okay, I can see how we got to this result. You know what? Let's go ahead and copy this into our editor. Let's run this. And this should work because the code looks really good. It's taking a long time. Ooh, chat, we got the wrong answer. All right, let's go ahead and plug this in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, everything passed. So the next one is valid palindrome.